In today's video, I am going to teach you how to trade micro WTI crude oil futures on Tradingview. We'll start right from the chart so you can follow along easily. First, go to the symbol search bar in the top left corner of Tradingview. Click into it and type MCL, or simply type micro WTI. You'll see a list of matching markets. Make sure you are looking under the futures category so you are pulling up the right instrument, since the same symbol can appear under multiple asset classes. If you are on a free plan or using a data package without futures, the list may be limited. But the process is the same once you have access. Next, select the contract you want to trade. A common choice is the 5th month contract, which is often a bit less volatile than the front month. For example, you might see a listing like MCAK 2026, which would be the May contract for that year. If you prefer a continuous chart for analysis and backtesting, you can choose MCL1, which automatically rolls to the next contract in sequence. Just remember, the continuous chart is great for studying price action, while the specific monthly contract is what you'll actually trade live. Now, connect your broker so orders can be routed from Tradingview. Open the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. From the list, select your broker, then log in to authorize the connection. Keep an eye on any prompts from your broker regarding account type and permissions for futures trading. Once connected, Tradingview will show your account status and the broker's logo in the panel. With the connection live, open the order panel. You can do this by clicking the buy or sell buttons on the chart interface, or by right-clicking directly on the chart at your desired price level and selecting the order option from the context menu. The order panel lets you configure everything before you send it. Set your order details carefully. Choose your order type and set your price if you are placing a limit order. Add a stop loss to define your maximum risk and a take. Tradingview will display estimated costs and risk on the ticket so you can double-check. Confirm your quantity. Review any time and force settings and make sure your levels line up with the chart. When you are confident, click buy or sell to execute. Your orders and positions will appear on the chart so you can drag levels to adjust or close out directly from the interface. That's it. Thanks for watching.